I'm headed to the mountains in less than 12 hours, and I've just decided I need to crochet something with a hole in the middle. It still looks like a heart, right? Hi, I'm Unnati Israni, and I'm about to do something I've definitely done before: leave everything for the last minute. Okay, so here's a little bit of context. This trip with my friends has been in the works for a month now, and I'd seen these adorable crocheted earmuffs all over my Pinterest. So when I got to know that I'm going to Himachal, I knew this is my only chance. I live in Mumbai, so I never get to wear or make such cute winter accessories, and I knew I just had to make it. Of course, I procrastinated. The trip got cancelled, then it got revived again. 2 days ago, we decided we are actually going. That meant 2 days of scrambling, figuring out travel, booking accommodations, packing my suitcase, and now here I am. It's almost 2 a.m. I leave in the morning, and my need for those cute Pinteresty earmuffs have resurfaced again. I don't have the time, but I also don't care because I want to look cute, and I'm going to bring you along while I try to crochet myself a pair of earmuffs in under 12 hours. So basically, just watch me speedrun crochet, stress out in real time, and hopefully work out with cute crochet accessories at the end of it. Okay, so step one is pattern hunting. I need to find something that is cute yet doable in the next 12 hours. Step two is selecting some yarn out of this super messy yarn stash. So, this is the pattern that I chose. I found this tutorial by Mahon Crochets, and I'll make sure to link it down in the description below so that you can make some cute earmuffs with me. And I chose this blue acrylic yarn with a 4.5 millimeter hook. I'll also be using this headband that I no longer wear. And let's see if we can get this done in time. I've got everything I need, so let's get started. I started by turning my regular yarn into chunky yarn, and I was way too focused for 2 a.m. And we did it. I made some chunky yarn. Now we're officially starting the base by wrapping the headband. Here's me struggling for my life, but don't worry, I eventually got the hang of it. It's currently 3:20 a.m. and I'm finally done wrapping the headband, and I'm so excited about how it's turning out to be. I'm starting my very first heart, and I'm praying it actually looks like one. Hi, I am checking in at 4:25 a.m. and this is all I have to show for it. One single mediocre heart with a hole in the middle. I was really hoping to get done with all four hearts tonight so that I could just assemble it in the morning, but that is definitely not happening. So I guess I'll see you in the morning because I really need some sleep. Bye. Good morning. It's 7:45 a.m. and I'm extremely sleep deprived. But I guess if I want the earmuffs, I'm going to get started again. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my second heart, and let's just hope and pray there's no hole in the center. I'm too sleepy to be making a magic ring. There's no hole. It's currently 8:45 a.m. and I have heart number 2 complete. This is so much better than the last one. But also, this means it takes me 1 hour to complete one heart, and I don't have 2 more hours. So I'm really stressed out. So what I'm going to do is I'll first go get ready, get everything packed, and then we're going to sit and continue. Hi, it's 10:45 a.m. and here's a quick update. I am done with all the last minute packing. I am done having a bath. All I need to do is change before I leave. I am done with my breakfast as well. So this leaves me with a little less than 2 hours to complete my earmuffs. It seems like a stretch, but here's a little crochet update. I have these two hearts ready. I have already started the third one, but here's the problem. I feel like I'm doing something wrong here. There are tiny holes in the center, and I feel like they're a little small to be earmuffs. So I am trying another type of heart for the third one. This is again a tutorial by Mahum Crochets. I have already made like a heart bag from her tutorial before. So I am just going to do that. Hopefully it's going to take me less time, and hopefully I'm able to at least fill in the stuffing because I don't want to carry that with me on my trip. It's 11:20 a.m. and I'm done with my third heart. This doesn't have the hole in the center, but I feel like the shape on the first one was better. In any case, we're going to stitch both of these together, so it won't make that much of a difference. And it's taking me half the amount of time to finish. So I am going to stick with the new pattern and we might just be able to finish this in time. Here I go for the last one. So I got late and I had to rush to catch my train. I couldn't finish the last heart in time, so we definitely did not hit the 12-hour mark, but I wasn't ready to give up just yet. So I grabbed all my stuff and I left for Manali. Well, things didn't go as planned. I am already in Manali now. I have to wear it tomorrow morning. It's 12 o'clock in the night and I'm going to try and finish it right now. So I gathered all my yarn and I went to my friend's room. Honestly, it was such a happy moment just sitting there crocheting my last heart while I was laughing along to their conversations. And we did it. All 4 hearts finally done. Took a quick snack break before the final stretch, which is the assembly. I started by putting the pieces together, so I actually started stitching the 2 hearts together. And then I started stuffing the heart. This was probably the easiest part of the entire process. This is where it all went downhill. Something wasn't right. The heart kept detaching from the headband and it just kept poking out for some reason. For a while, I kept pretending like I actually knew how to fix it until I finally said, "Arya, मेरे को नहीं लगता होने वाला है." Desperate times call for asking for help from my guy friends who've never held a crochet hook in their lives. So I tried explaining what's going wrong, and this is the expert advice that I got.
उन्हें फेविक्विक लगा दे। अरे ऐसे ऐसे मर्ज करना, ऐसे 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 और ऐसा।
Obviously, my friends were of zero help. I was panicking and I was so exhausted that I just stopped filming and I just committed. I sat alone on the hotel room floor until 4 a.m. in the night, and I don't know how I did it, but I actually managed to get it done. I slept for 90 minutes and then we headed to the snow, and this is how I finally looked.